Hello YouTube viewers, what's going on out there? Chad Foreman here outside of Diogi's restaurant. Funky upscale Latin cuisine. We're celebrating Cinco de Mayo with the big burrito eating contest. These people are eating 5-pound burritos. Let's go check it out. I love you, man. Yeah. What do you think?
Sky Garvin!
I'm ready. This will be good.
Yeah.
I might need a little something else later on. We'll see. I got any hot sauce?
Notice she has truly prepared with the Rocky Balboa outfit.
Yeah! Yes! This burrito's going down.
Mr. John Paul Jones, step forth, sir.
How's it going? My
And
name's John Paul
Jared,
Jones.
Canada.
I'm gonna eat this here burrito.
Yeah.
Joe DiGatano, hungry and focused.
Jared, Canada.
Yeah, you're from Canada?
No.
Oh, your last name's Canada.
Yeah, I'm from Colorado.
Okay.
I'm Jay. I can't eat this. I can't eat it. I need hot sauce. I gotta have hot sauce.
Hello, my name is Sky, and I can't tell you how hungry I am. This is going down.
My main man, Steve, will be our master of ceremonies this afternoon. Let's give him a hand. I will be your referee. Here are the rules. They're simple. In front of you, with this Cinco, is 5 pounds of burrito. 5 pounds. Inside this is a lovely assortment of everything you'd expect, and Oscar's own secrets.
Every one of them also has a special secret ingredient. Every year, Oscar puts something particularly odd, weird, twisted, or disgusting inside the burrito.
Alright, here's how the burrito gets started. We got 4 12-inch tortillas. Gotta put some beans in it. Carne. Don't be shy with the meat. Got some cheese. How about that, man? It's looking good, huh?
Oh man, that looks good. I want to eat it.
Rice and olives. Let's do this here. More potatoes. This is special mixture with pretty hot peppers, so it's very, very hot. Little surprise there. And our delicious salsa here. This is the magic here.
Man, that's a big burrito.
The beast has arrived. They're gonna be 5 pounds each. So this gonna put it in the oven right now, and we're gonna dress it in a little bit. Ready for this?
Hey, so what was that you just put on there?
That's a mixture of lettuce and pickled cabbage. It's been marinated for 4 months.
4 months?
Yeah, special.
Wow. Is that cake frosting?
Sour cream.
Oh, that's crazy.
Here are the simple rules. In 30 minutes, the contestant with the least amount left, or the first one to finish, wins. 3, 2, 1, go!
Instead of going on a horizontal, he's going with a vertical burrito eating, which was originally done in Veracruz, Mexico in 1951. Always wear clothing that won't show the stains, and apparently our one contestant over here got that memo in advance. We have
Oh yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Any discomfort later on.
Ah yes, he loves it.
Come on, Jay. Don't bomb it. Don't bomb it.
They roused him from his stupor and he begins to eat again.
That's his wife.
Oh, wait a minute. Are you the proud spouse?
Yes, I am.
And so today is your 12th anniversary.
12 years, 14 total.
So on your 12th anniversary, he said, "Darling, I want to take you somewhere real special. I think we should go and have a real big dinner."
I love you, baby. But a really big dinner.
So I'm going to eat as much as I can, and whatever's left, you and the youngin' can have.
Exactly.
He may not be eating.
Oh, you want that burrito, don't you? You want it. That burrito is you.
Oh,
that burrito wants to be you. Yeah. How's it going, Canada?
Sucks.
Mr. Canada over there looks like he's
What do you
slowed
mean
to a
it
halt.
sucks?
My stomach's killing me already.
John Paul Jones, how you doing down here, buddy?
John Paul Jones, he's only just begun to
Hungry,
eat.
yeah.
How about Joe? He's over there. He's tearing through it. Let's hear it for Joe. Last but not least, the person that has the biggest cheering section anyway, we're going to find how many think Sky's going to win.
Joe has wore this thing out.
Yep.
Of a 5-pound burrito, he only had 2 pounds. 3.79.
And is that our official winner then?
This is our official winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, our winner. Let's hear it for Mr. Joe, the eating machine. There we go. John Paul Jones, our second place winner. Mr. Number 3 man right here. Mr. 12th anniversary is in third place.
There you have it, folks. The Diogi's Cinco de Mayo burrito eating contest. Make sure to come on over and check out Diogi's for some awesome Latin cuisine. Come out next year for the burrito eating contest. We'll see you then.